Hey YouTube, here's a little tip for you. I don't know what the problem is, but I have the solution. I have a LiftMaster garage door opener, and I get this strobing effect when I turn my lights off in the garage. Oh. Okay, strobing. Okay, let's go fix the problem. Okay, power is off to the bulbs. They're still strobing. So I'm going to change the bulbs out. Here's the bulb I'm currently using. It's LED. Going to replace it with a Cree bulb. Now watch, this one over here is still strobing. As I put this one in, no strobe. This one over here is not strobing. There's something with the LED bulbs that cause the strobing effect. I have no clue, I'm not an electrician, but if you have this problem, no strobing. Thank God, my wife's gonna love me for this. At the wall panel, lights come on, lights stay off, no strobing. I hope this helps somebody. All right, Merry Christmas, YouTube.